Hey, my name is Steve, and I am a drone owner. I own the DJI Mavic Mini drone, and I've owned several drones, but I was doing some research for drone pilot jobs, and I found this pretty cool website. It's called dronebase.com, and it offers drone services for all industries. So basically, what this site is if you have the need for a drone anywhere in the world to do whatever, take photos, videos, or maybe thermal imaging or something like that, this website has um, a bunch of pilots that they have hired all over the world and who are licensed drone pilots. And you can submit your job to DroneBase, and what they will do is they will complete the job for you in hiring local pilots. Let's say you've got some commercial real estate and you need some aerial video. Well, you are in, let's just say you're in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Well, they will take from their selection of drone pilots in Chattanooga, and they will fulfill your requests. Now, if you want to become a drone pilot and be paid for it, they also have a section here on the website, and I will leave the instructions and the links in the description. But you can become a drone pilot with DroneBase and be paid for your work. Of course, you got to be licensed, and you have to go through their set of prerequisites to work for DroneBase. But then they will send you missions to fly your drone and be paid. So I think it's a pretty cool site. I'm considering doing it myself, but I thought I would pass this information along to you. So, like I said, if you want to become a professional drone pilot and be paid, I will leave the link in the description, and good luck to you.